Hello students, welcome to the online classes. In this video, we shall learn and discuss about the unit arithmetic progression. Students, it is a continuation of the exercise which we have solved in the last video. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and 3 more terms. The question is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 and 3 plus 3 root 2. I'll denote it as A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. Now the important condition for AP is they should have the common difference. Now we'll find out common difference. D equals A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. Now we'll substitute the values. What is A2? A2 is 3 plus root 2 minus A1 is 3. In the same way, what is A3? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus A2. A2 is 3 plus root 2. I'll put it in the bracket. In the same way, what is A4? 3 plus 3 root 2 minus A3. A3 is what? 3 plus 2 root 2. Again, I'll put it in the bracket. Now we shall simplify. Now if you observe, plus 3 minus 3 will cancel out. The remaining term is root 2. That is A2 minus A1 is root 2. In the same way, now I'll simplify 3 plus 2 root 2 as it is minus. Plus into minus is minus. In the same way, plus into minus is minus root 2. Again, if you observe, plus 3 minus 3 will cancel out. What is the remaining? 2 root 2 minus root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 will give you root 2. Now we will simplify A4 minus A3. A4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 as it is. Now minus 3 plus into minus minus 2 root 2. Again plus 3 minus 3 will cancel out. Now 3 times root 2 minus 2 root 2 will give you root 2. Now if you observe, we have common difference as root 2 and root 2. Therefore, I can say that common difference exists. For the given list of numbers, common difference exists. Therefore, the above list of numbers forms an AP. The above list of numbers forms an AP. If they form an AP, what we should do? We should find out the next 3 more terms. How to find out? That is A5, then A6, then A7. How to find out A5? That is for A4 I should add common difference, that is A4 plus D. A6 is A5 plus D. In the same way A7 is A6 plus D. Now substitute the value of A4, that is 3 plus 3 root 2. Now what I should do? I should add the common difference root 2. Now what I'll get? 3 plus 4 root 2. I have made a mistake. 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2 will give you 3 plus 4 root 2. In the same way, what is A6? A5 plus D. What is A5? 3 plus 4 root 2. A5 is 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2. So what will get? 3 as it is. Now 4 root 2 plus root 2 is 5 root 2. Now finding A7, that is A6 plus D. What is A6? 3 plus 5 root 2 plus D is root 2 will give you 3 plus 6 root 2 is the required next 3 more terms of the given AP. Now we will move to next question. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222 and 0.2222. I will denote it as A1, A2, A3, A4. The same step repeats. We should find out the common difference. G equals A2 minus A1. That is 0.22 minus 0.2. Now I should minus 0.22 minus 0.2. What will get 0.22 minus 0.2? 2 as it is. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now point as it is. D equals what? 0.02. Now D equals A3 minus A2. What is A3? 0.222 minus what is A2? 0.22. Now again subtract, what you get? 0.222 minus 0.22. Now first 2 as it is. 2 minus 2 is 0. Again 2 minus 2 is 0. Point as it is. What you get? 0.002. Now again D equals what? A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3. Directly we can write the given list does not form an AP, but we shall find out A4 minus A3. That is 0.2222 minus 0.222. So we will get 0.0002. If you observe, it does not have common difference. Therefore, the above list of numbers does not form an AP. No common difference exists. That means the above list of numbers does not form an AP. Students, do understand the meaning of AP and condition for AP. Only if the common difference exists, that means the list forms an AP, otherwise it doesn't. We shall continue with the next question. 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. I'll denote it as A1, A2, A3, A4. So now the step repeats, that is finding out common difference, that is A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. What is A2? A2 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus of 0. Now what is A3? Minus 8 minus again A2 is minus 4. I'll put it in the bracket. The same way, what is A4? Minus 12 minus of minus 8. Now what you get? Minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4. Minus 8 minus into minus plus 4. Third step, minus 12 minus into minus plus 8. Minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 is 4. Bigger number sign is minus. So minus 4 minus 12 plus 8 is minus 4. So if you observe, the list forms an AP because common difference exists. What is the common difference? Minus 4. Now common difference exists. Therefore, above list of numbers forms an AP. Otherwise, I can say that it is an AP because they have common difference. Now what we should do? We should find out the next 3 more terms. That is A5, A6, A7. What is A5? That is A4 plus D. A4 plus D. What is A6? A5 plus D. What is A7? A6 plus D. What is A4? Minus 12. D is minus 4. So what you get? Minus 12 minus 4 is minus 16. A5 is minus 16. D is minus 4. What you get? Minus 20. In the same way, minus 20 minus 4 will give you minus 24. The next 3 more terms are minus 16, minus 20 and minus 24. Next question, very simple. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and so on. I'll denote it as A1, A2, A3, A4. Now I should find out the common difference. D equals A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. Now what is A2 minus 1 by 2 minus of again A1 is minus 1 by 2. So minus into minus plus will give you minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will cancel out, will get you 0. In the same way, what is A3? Minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2 will get you minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 2, again minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cancel out, will get you 0. The same way, A4 minus A3 minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2 will get you minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will cancel out, will get you 0. That means the common difference is 0. Now you can easily find out the next 3 more terms that you can try yourself. The answer is simple, minus 1 by 2, again minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. The AP remains same throughout the 1, 3, 9, 27 and so on. I will denote it as A1, A2, A3, A4. Now D equals A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. Now A2 minus A1 is 3 minus 1, that is 2. The same way, what is A3 minus A2? What is A3? 9 minus 3 equals 6. So clearly I can say that common difference does not exist. The above list of numbers does not form an AP. You will find out A4 minus A3. 27 minus 9 will get you 18. Now common difference does not exist. Therefore, I can say that the above list of numbers does not form an AP. Why? Because there is no fixed term between the two successive terms. Therefore, above list of numbers does not form an AP. Now moving to next question. Now A, 2A, 3A, 4A, I'll denote it as A1, A2, A3, A4. Now I should find out the common difference. D equals A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. So this is very simple. What is A2? A2 is 2A minus A1 is A. The same way, what is A3? 3A minus 2 times A. The same way, what is A4? 4A minus A3 is 3A. 2A minus 1A, that is A, will give you 1A. The same way, 3A minus 2A will give you 1A. 4A minus 3A is 1A. Common difference exists. What is the common difference? The common difference is 1A or A. Therefore, the common difference exists for the above list of numbers. It means above list of numbers forms an AP. Now we need to find out next 3 more terms, that is A5, A6 and A7. What is A5? A5 is A4 plus D. What is A6? A5 plus D. What is A7? A6 plus D. Now what is A4? A4 is 4A plus what is D? D is 1A. 4A plus 1A is 5A. What is A6? A5, that is 5A plus D is 1A, will get you 6A. What is A7? 6A plus 1A, that is 7A. The next 3 more terms are 5A, 6A and 7A. Moving to next question. A square, A cube, A to the power 4. I will denote it as A1, A2, A3 and A4. Now we will find out the common difference if exists, that is D equals A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. What is A2 now? A2 is A square minus A minus A1 is A. Now what is A3? A cube minus A2 is A square. Same A power 4 minus A cube. Now we should simplify these terms. Now I write A square as A into A minus a. Now a cube can be written as a into a minus a square as a into a. The same way a to the power 4 as a into a minus a cube as a into a. Now we should take the common factor. How? Now a is common. The next term, that is a is common. The third term a, then a. These are the common terms. First step I can write as take a out, that is a into a, remaining term, that is minus 1. Taking a into a is a square. Taking a square common, the remaining term is a minus 1. The third step, taking a cube common factor, remaining term is a minus 1. If you observe, there is no common difference. Therefore, common difference does not exist. The above list of numbers does not form an AP. Students, please make a note that always you should simplify the terms to check whether common difference exists or not. In the first step, you cannot say whether common difference exists or not. We'll move to next question. Moving to next question, root 2, root 8, root 18 and root 32. I'll denote it as A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. Now we should find out the common difference, that is D equals A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. D equals A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. What is A2? A2 is root 8 minus root 2. A2 is root 8, A1 is root 2. In the same way, what is A3? Root 18 minus A2 is root 8. The same way, what is A4? Root 32 minus root 18. Now again, we should simplify these terms to find out the common difference. Now, root 8, root 18, root 32, all these terms should be simplified. You know the simplification of these numbers, that is root 8, root 18 and root 32. Now students, you know the square numbers, that is 1 square is 1, then 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36 and so on. Now we should write root 8 in terms of this number. Check, I can write root 8 as 4 into 2. In the same way, 18 can be written as, check, it can be written as 9 into 2. Root 32 can be written as 16 into 2. 16 times 2 will give you 32. That is 16 into 2. Students, now we know that square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3, or square root of 16 is 4. So now I'll write root 4 as 2, remaining term is 2. In the same way, square root of 9 is 3, remaining term is root 2. The same way, root 16 is 4, remaining term is 2, that is root 2 as it is. Now students, I'll substitute root 8 as 2 root 2 minus root 2. The same way, root 18 as 3 root 2 minus root 8 as 2 root 2. Now root 32 as 4 root 2 minus root 18 as 3 root 2. Now 2 root 2 minus root 2. 2 times root 2 minus 1 root 2 will give you root 2. Again 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is root 2. In the same way, 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2 is root 2. If you observe, common difference exists. That is, common difference is root 2. Therefore, the above list of numbers forms an AP. Students, you should be very careful while simplifying these kind of numbers. The above list forms an AP. Now what we need to do? We need to find out next 3 more terms. How to find out? That is A5, A6 and A7. What is A5? A5 equals A4 plus D. What is A6? A5 plus D. What is A7? A6 plus D. Now substitute A4. What is A4? Root 32, which is nothing but 4 root 2. What is D? That is root 2. What is now root 32 can be written as what? 4 root 2 plus root 2. 4 root 2 plus root 2 is 5 root 2. A5 is 5 root 2. In the same way, A6 is 5 root 2 plus root 2 will give you 6 root 2. What is A7? A6 plus D. What is A6? 6 root 2 plus root 2 equals 7 root 2. Now students, still we can simplify this further. Now 5 root 2 can be written as what? If I take this 5 inside the root, it becomes 25. So 5 root 2 can be written as root of 25 into 2. That is root 50. That is fifth term is root 50. Now 6 root 2 can be written as taking inside what will it become? 36 into 2. That is square root of 36 into 2. That is root of 72. In the same way, 7 root 2 can be written as taking 7 inside, that it becomes 49. That is 49 into 2 is 98. The next 3 more required term is root 50, root 72 and root 98. The next 3 more required terms is root 50, root 72 and root 98. Moving to next question. Root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. I'll denote it as A1, A2, A3 and A4 and so on. Now we should find out the common difference if exists, that is equals A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. Now substitute the values of these terms, that is A2 is root 6 minus A1 is root 3. The same what is A3? Root 9 minus root 6. In the same way A4 is root 12 minus root 9. Students, root 6 cannot be simplified and it cannot be written in the form of square numbers. So root 6 as it is. Root 3 also as it is. Therefore, next step root 9, that is square root of 9 is 3 minus root 6 as it is. Now square root of 12 can be expressed as 4 into 3. Now square root of 4 is 2. Root 3 as it is, you will get. Now if you observe, the common difference does not exist. Therefore, the above list of numbers does not form an AP. Because there is no fixed term between the successive terms, otherwise no common difference exists. Now moving to next question, that is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square and so on. Now I will simplify 1 square as 1, 3 square as 9, 5 square as 25, 7 square as 40. That is 1 into 1, 3 into 3, 5 into 5 and 7 into 7. Now we will find out common difference equals A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. What is A2? That is 9, A1 is 1, A3 is 25 minus 9. Next A4 is 49 minus A3 is 25. We will get 8. 25 minus 9 is 16. In the same way 49 minus 25 is 24. If you observe, it is not same. That means no common difference exists. That means the above list of numbers does not form an AP because it doesn't have common difference. Please understand the concept of AP and try to solve as many questions as possible. Moving to next question now. It is 15th question. Now 15th question, very simple. 1 square is 1, that is 1 into 1. Next 5 square, that is 5 into 5 is 25. Next 7 square is 49. Then 73 as it is. Now finding the common difference d equals a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2 or a4 minus a3. What is a2 now? a2 is 25, a1 is 1. Now a3 is 49 minus a2 is 25. Now a4 is 73 minus a3 is 49. Now 25 minus 1 is 24. 49 minus 25 is 24. 73 minus 49 is 24. Therefore, the common difference exists. What is the common difference? It is 24. Now we need to find out next few more terms. Now we should find out a5, a6 and a7. What is a5? a5 is a4 plus d. a6 is a5 plus d. a7 is a6 plus d. Now we find out a5 equals what? a4 plus d. What is a4? That is 73 plus d is 24. 73 plus 24 will give you 97. Now a6 equals a5, that is 97 plus 24 will give you what? 121. The same way a7 equals 121 plus 24 will give you 145. Is the required next 3 more terms. The next 3 more terms are 97, 121 and 145. It is a very simple question. Students, practice as many questions as possible. Thanks for watching. If you find my videos are useful, subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching again.